This will be a speed test between the Xiaomi Mi 9 versus the OnePlus 6T. Now the Mi 9 has the Snapdragon 855. This one has 6 gigs of RAM. OnePlus 6T, this one has the Snapdragon 845 from last year. However, this one has 8 gigs of RAM. They are both on Android 9 Pie. Xiaomi Mi 9 on the latest version of its MIUI 10, OnePlus 6T on its latest version of Oxygen OS. Turn on both at the same time. See which one has the faster boot up. Let's go. Very close on the boot up. You guys are the judges. And we are in! Nothing in the background on both. As you can see, all apps have been cleared. So let's get started by tapping the Messages app. Very close. The camera, we'll do it like this, and let's go. Give the win to the 60 on that one. Clock on both phones. We'll go ahead and start the stopwatch on both and leave that running in the background. The Xiaomi browser and Chrome, let's go. We'll do a search for GSM Arena on this. Let's go. Looking at the progress bar. Ooh, very close. Oh, the ad came up on the Mi 9 first here, so I'll give the slight edge to the Mi 9 on this, but both very similar, really. We'll go ahead and click on the desktop version. And again, very similar performance. Ooh, so close. Slow down the video for me. And we'll just go ahead and pinch the zoom here. Nice and smooth on the 6T still, despite having the 845. And the Xiaomi Mi 9, as you can see, nice and butter. Calculator on both, very close. Play Store, call that one a draw. Click on, let's see, Uber. Amazon Shopping. Oh man, so close between the two. Click on the deal of the day. eBay. Ooh, very close. Slow down the video for me. Go ahead and click on this Spigen thing. We'll leave it there. Mario Run, let's go. Give the win to the Mi 9. Very close though. As you can see, a little bit faster on the left. Temple Run 2. Loading on both. Ooh, Mi 9's ahead by a little bit, as you can see. We'll confirm that in a second. We'll let the game do its thing. And faster on the Mi 9. Tap to play. Angry Birds 2. Logging in on both phones. Ooh, Mi 9. Oh, very close. Oh, so close. Slight edge on the left, but not that big of a difference, really. Asphalt 9. Ooh, I think the Mi 9 is slightly out in front. And we'll give the win to the Mi 9 on this. Get rid of that pop-up. Tap the play button, and we'll leave it there. PUBG, let's go. A little bit of a lag on the 6T. Will that make a difference? Mi 9 out in front. Ooh, Mi 9's already loading the game. Hearing noise from the Mi 9. Loading on the Mi 9. Checking for updates, I guess, on the 6T. Loading on both. Oh, and give the win to the Mi 9, as you can see. Here we go. A little bit faster on the left. Photoshop Express. I have this 8K image, and since it's the springtime right now, I'm gonna go ahead and click on the spring filter so you can see. I'm gonna jack this up all the way, right there. Click on export on both phones, and I'm gonna go ahead and save it to the gallery, and we'll see which one does this function faster. Let's go. A little bit faster on the Mi 9, as you can see. Twitter. Ooh, that was, I think, 6T. Nice. Instagram. 6T again. Ooh, 6T coming back. And Snapchat, oh, very close. So let's take a look at the multitasking of both phones. Everything's in the background, so you can see. Now the 6T, this one does have 8 gigs of RAM. Mi 9 has 6, so we'll see if that plays a role. Let's find out. Instagram, still there. Twitter, good to go. Photoshop, same place. PUBG, same place on both, as you can see. This one, still there on both. And as for Angry Birds 2, good to go. Temple Run 2, oh, reload on the left, as you can see. Mario Run, still good on the 6T, and the Mi 9 is reloading that. eBay, a little bit of a lag on the Mi 9. Amazon, faster on the right, as you can see. Play Store, same place. Calculator, a little bit faster on the right. The browsers, and a little bit of a lag here on the Mi 9. Clock, still running the stopwatch on both. The camera, there you have it. And the Messages app, boom. So let me know in the comments below what you thought about this matchup. Are you a Xiaomi fan? Do you like yourself some Xiaomi phones? Are you rocking the Mi 9, the Mi 8 from last year, or the Xiaomi Mi Mix series of phones? Or are you on team OnePlus, rocking the OnePlus 6T, OnePlus 6, OnePlus 5T, or OnePlus 5? Are you looking forward to the upcoming OnePlus 7 with a rumored pop-up camera? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.